Resources that you assign your students may be assessments. The assessments can contain questions for your students to answer. In this video, we'll cover the different types of questions they may encounter. The first type of question your students may encounter are multiple choice questions. Students will pick the best option of the choices presented to them. The next type are short answer questions. Students will write their responses in the box below. Fill in the blank questions work the same. The students will provide the best answer in the box listed in the question. Some question types may be in a matrix. The students will have to match the columns and rows to provide the correct answer. Some questions will require the students to annotate on a canvas. There are several drawing options for your students to use. The drawings are saved as soon as the students make them on the canvas. Final test question type are open-ended responses. Students will be able to write however long a response they wish in the box provided below. Publishers may provide a set answer for multiple choice, short answer, and fill in the blank questions. This means that as soon as the student submits an answer, the question will be graded. More information on how questions can be graded can be seen in the video in the link in the description. Note that annotations and text responses will never be automatically graded by the system. They will require you to manually grade them.